Yeah, so somebody years ago carved this out. I mean, all this rock has been placed in here. All this has been placed in here. This front edge is built here. This is like a little waterfall that goes over. This used to be a swimming pool here. Looks like it just needs to be dug out. There's sides to the pool here. You can see this nice edge. So this is all needs to be dug out right here. And you got this nice, steps going up this side. And then when you come over here, you can see all this has been built to create a swimming pool here. It even has drains down in the bottom, steps going down to the bottom so you could clean out the drains that are down there. But yeah, whoever did this, they put a lot of effort and work into this. This waterfall doesn't go too much right now. I don't know if it's because of the rainy season or just things have changed upstream from here. But either way, this is a really cool spot on the property. I mean, it's dense jungle here too. I mean, look at that.